Okay, we are in the air. Beautiful, Sunday, and we are waiting Finland to beat Canada. And for preparing this, we have to eat well. Or what do you say, camerado?
In Haikon Kartano, we learn the new way of cooking fresh fish, which is pirkka from Norway fish, that you start taking a half a kilo of frozen Norwegian salmon, and then you...
The sponsor's name here.
Yes, and then you just cook until the match starts, and by the time Finland beats Canada, we already know that we will add some lemon, some fruits and some nuts, and this will be the most beautiful you've ever seen in your life. But remember, if you come to Finland in summer, it's good to have
a hole here.
A hole in your head, yes.
There's a hole,
yes. Because otherwise you will not be able to cook such a beautiful salmon.
And she's Skyping there.
So come and fish with me, because whatever we catch is already iced, and you can take it home with you.
And he's
in
really
your hand
a professor.
In your hand luggage. Okay. In your hand luggage.